What's up guys, TechSharan here, back with another video. It's been a while since I featured a projector. That is because I was searching for an amazing one on a budget. And bam! Trust me guys, using this, you're gonna turn your boring wall at home into a mini cinema theater to enjoy movies, videos and whatnot. You guys are gonna love it. Sit back and enjoy, and make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel to support me. Because if you guys don't do it, who will? I hope you guys will do it. Alright. Check out the Xiaomi Wanbo X1 projector. This is a super impressive budget HD cinema projector to turn a plain boring white wall at your home into a cinema theater. Opening up the box, we have the projector. Let's get to it soon. Then a manual, which is a must read. Then we have the remote with controls to manage the projector. Wow, I like how it's designed to be in black and white. Nice. The remote is powered by two AAA batteries. Then a HDMI cable, an AV cable in case you want to connect your old devices or even your normal TV setup box, DVD player, etc. A lens cap, finally a power cable. That's about it. Boomba! Here is a closer look at the Wanbo X1 HD budget projector. First look, top notch. Look and feels very premium. Especially combining it with this remote, it gives an Apple vibe. With this all white and black color. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Casing is all plastic. One end on the top, you have the controls to navigate along with the back button. You can use this or the remote. And here the keystone correction ring and perspective correction ring. Front, the lens with an infrared sensor. Sides, you have air vents. And here a 3-watt inbuilt speaker. Bottom, a dust filter and 4 sturdy rubber legs. Middle, you have a tripod slot which you can use to mount the projector even on a normal camera tripod because it's not that heavy. And yes, you can use this to mount it on the wall, ceiling because the UI has settings to invert. Now to the back, you have the power button with LED indicator, an AV port to connect devices using the cable that you get in the box. Then a 3.5mm audio port to connect external speakers, headset, whatever. Then a USB 3 port to connect your hard disk, pen drive, etc. Then HDMI port to connect setup box, laptop, Fire Stick, whatever. Then I think another IR sensor. Finally the power slot. Alright, let's get this baby set up. Just place the projector against a white wall. You can place it on a table or even on a normal camera tripod. The advantage of using a tripod is that you can adjust the height easily as per your need. Guys, this projector can project max 120 inches. The distance between the projector and the wall depends on how big you want to project. Okay, lights off.
Ting tang, walla walla bing bang.
What you're seeing here is approximately an 85-inch projection. And guys, my camera is not doing justice here because it's dark. You gotta see this thing in person. It is amazing. The picture quality is clear, crisp and vibrant. Do note, projectors like this should be used with lights turned off so that the picture quality is even more crisp and clear. You know, that is one reason why the lights are turned off in a cinema theater. So keep that in mind. It has an all-glass lens with 300 ANSI lumens brightness. Lamp life is 20,000 hours. Native resolution is 1080 to 720 pixels. However, it can support max Full HD at 60 FPS playback. And most common file formats like MP4, MKV are also supported. Cool, right? Using the focus and perspective ring, you can adjust the picture depending on your wall, distance, height and many other factors. Now coming to the UI, it is pretty clean and straightforward. And wait, hey, those icons. Well, I know where they are from. You guys let me know in the comments if you know which phone it belongs to. Anyways, as said, you can play content by connecting a hard drive, pen drive, or best, get an Amazon Fire Stick and connect it to the HDMI port. And now your projector is smart. You can stream whatever you want to directly. Netflix, YouTube, Hotstar. It is a mesmerizing experience. Though it has an inbuilt 3-watt speaker, connecting a soundbar or an external speaker will give you a bam boom experience while watching movies. Can you connect your laptop? Yeah, works awesome. How about a game console? Guys, the gaming experience is just amazing. When you play using this, time flies. The possibilities are more as far as connecting and playing content goes using this projector. Now, another cool thing is the projector has inbuilt Wi-Fi mirroring. So you can mirror your smartphone, tablet, whatever. And hey, guess what? It supports both iOS and Android. The possibilities are more as far as connecting and playing content goes using this projector. Overall, if you're hunting for a good entry-level projector for your home to set up a mini theater, then you won't be disappointed with the Vanbo X1. It is compact enough so that you can place it anywhere and use it.
Yo, compacting is here. Let's get the comparison rolling. Exclusive TechShunt comparison time.
Well, if I have to say, the size of the projector is approximately the size of a Haldiram 150 grams bale packet. Not one, but two packets stacked together. Yup, crazy but true. Another exclusive TechShunt comparison. Anyways guys, got any questions about this projector? Drop them in the comments, we'll try to answer it. And this costs around Rs 7,900 and definitely worth it given the picture quality and features. I got it in exactly 20 days after ordering and there were no customs. Want to grab one? We'll leave the best link in the description, check it out. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you found it informative. If you did, like, share and subscribe and I'll catch you guys in another exciting video. Until then.